everyone, welcome to today's class, which is a neck and shoulder release. When you're ready, let's get started in a nice, comfortable seated position. Resting your hands to your knees or your thighs, sitting up nice and tall, letting the shoulders just soften down your back. You're going to take a nice full inhale in. And as you exhale, just lower your chin down towards your chest. You can have your eyes closed if you want to. Or you can just keep that gaze dropped. Just really allow your head to become heavy here. Relaxing your jaw, your face. And you're going to roll your neck to your left shoulder. Lower your chin to your chest. And roll to your right shoulder. Just rolling your neck a few more times, shoulder to shoulder. Easing it out, working into those corners. And make this your last one, chin to chest. Bring your head back up through center. Inhale, sweep your arms tall to the ceiling, stretching the fingers up. Exhale, hands to pray at your heart center. Twice more. Inhale up. Exhale, heart center. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, heart center. This time as you inhale, stretch your arms up tall to the ceiling. Exhale, twist to the left hand side. One hand to the knee, one hand behind. Keeping that length in your spine here. As you gently take that twist round to the left. Taking one more breath. And then keeping your right hand to your knee, to your left knee, you're going to stretch that left arm overhead. Should feel really good into the side of your body here. And then bring yourself back up to center. Slowly release the hand from the knee. As you inhale, swoop the arms tall. Let's swap sides. Exhale, twist to the right. One hand to the knee, one hand behind. Hold it there, taking a nice full breath. And then keeping that hand to your knee, you're going to reach that right arm overhead, taking that little side bend again. And exhale back to center, releasing the hands down to your knees. As you inhale, puff up through your chest. Exhale, chin to chest, sending the spine away. So you're coming to your seated cat-cow movements. So keep on flowing through these at your own pace. Really spreading those shoulder blades nice and wide as you exhale. And as you inhale, really opening through your chest. Make this your last one. Bring yourself back to center and stretch your arms out nice and wide to the sides. You're going to cross your right arm over your left. Option 1, hands can come to your shoulders. Option 2, backs of the hands to touch. Or 3, the palms touch. As you inhale, wherever you are, start to lift those elbows up in line with your shoulders. And as you exhale, think about spreading those shoulder blades nice and wide. Breathing there. Perfect. As you inhale, slowly unravel, stretch those arms out nice and wide. And as you exhale, let's swap sides. So left arm over the right, taking any of those options again. As you inhale, elbows in line with shoulders. Exhale, spread those shoulder blades nice and wide. One more full breath. On your next inhale, slowly release. Cactus those arms nice and wide. Inhale. And then exhale, hands come down to your knees. You're going to send your right hand behind your back just to catch hold of your left elbow. Sitting nice and tall, take an inhale. As you exhale, you're going to let your head drop towards your left shoulder. Closing down your eyes if it feels good. And just think about drawing that right shoulder blade down your back. Good. Slowly come back up to center. And we'll swap sides. Send that left hand to catch the right elbow. Inhale, sit nice and tall. And then as you exhale, let your head drop to your right shoulder. Good. Bring your head slowly back to center. Release. Bringing your head slowly back to center, releasing your arms, and make your way to an all fours tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees underneath your hips. And you're just going to sway your hips from side to side. It's like you're wagging your tail. You've got a bushy tail, side to side. And then sending your hips heavy back to your heels. Come to your child's pose, resting your forehead down to your mat. Softening through your shoulders, your upper arms, and your forearms. Inhale, you're going to lift your head up, slide yourself back to seated on your heels. Interlacing your hands behind your back as you inhale, lifting up through your chest, draw the knuckles down. Exhale, bring your torso down to your thighs, resting your forehead to your mat, lifting those hands up off your back. Option to stay here or to come into your rabbit, rolling onto the crown of your head, lifting your hips up, just being nice and careful of your neck here. Good. As you exhale, slowly release, lower the hips back down, release the interlace and just send the hands back to cup the heels, softening your shoulders. Taking a nice big breath in, full breath out. When you're ready, slowly make your way up to seated on your mat. Resting your hands to your knees or your thighs. You're just going to give those shoulders some nice big rolls backwards and some nice big rolls forwards. Good. When you're ready, stopping with your movements, take a nice big inhale, sweep the arms towards the ceiling. Exhale, hands to prayer at your heart center. Thank you so much for joining me again today.